Do you want to learn how to make a pair of fabulous pants? In this tutorial, we're sharing with you the detailed steps on how to DIY a pair of comfortable and beautiful palazzo pants. Get a pair of scissors and let's get started by cutting the fabric into parts first. Palazzo pants are long, loose, wide leg trousers that seem to come in and out of fashion regularly. Standing with your legs apart, they look like pants, but put your legs together and they'll give the illusion of being a skirt. Tools and materials that you'll need are fabric, measuring tape, fabric marker, elastic waistband, sewing pins, and sewing machine. Have you ever made palazzo pants before? They're usually made from light, breathable fabrics, like crepe and jersey for the hot summer months. Before taking the pants to the sewing machine, first the seamstress is securing the fabric with sewing pins. The instructions for DIYing these awesome palazzo pants are so easy because you can use a pair of your own pants as a pattern guide. Even if you're a sewing beginner, you can create your own pair of palazzo pants in 30 minutes. Most commonly seen on skirts, pants, and dresses, a garment with elasticized waist is easy to pull on, will stay in place all day and live with your body. There are many varieties of elastic waistbands that could be used for different projects and purposes. The best part about making your own clothes is that you get to decide about everything: the fabric type, fabric design, details, and more. Final steps. Simply wow! Cool DIY palazzo pants. Thanks for watching.